Hey guys, Eric here, coming to you from sunny Palm Springs, California. Traveled out here yesterday, which is why I didn't publish a vlog yesterday. By the time I got done filming and back to the room, even though it was only 9 o'clock here, it felt like midnight there at home, so I just didn't get a chance to do the voiceovers and stuff for the filming that I did yesterday. So I've made an executive decision and I'm going to go ahead and skip Sundays for now, simply because everybody needs a day off, and even though filming is not that big a deal, it's the editing piece that can get you. And so I'm not going to edit video on Sunday anymore, so you're not going to see a video on Sunday. So this is Vlogmas number 5. Now, of course, this weekend we did set up the Christmas tree, so a little segment of that, and then I traveled from Raleigh to Palm Springs, California for some business meetings this week and a trade show later on in the week in Anaheim. But when I got here, I met up with a friend, Giovanni, who said there's this aerial tram car ride that you could take up this mountain. So we ventured out and we did that, and it takes you from the bottom of the mountain to the top. It's about 8,500 feet of elevation at the top, and they say the temperature can change from, about 40 degree swing from the bottom of the mountain to the top of the mountain. So it does get significantly cooler when you get up there to the top of the mountain.
Our aerial trams do have a rotating floor, so those of you that are along the outside against the windows, just know that our floors will be rotating, and those handlebars you are hanging on to do not rotate. So you will have to move those hands along as we go around in circles. And away we go.
We'll travel for 2.5 miles.
Downstairs, we also have 2 movie theaters. One. So once we get moving here, we will turn on that floor rotation. If you guys are on the outside against those windows, floor will be rotating. If you folks can look straight out to your left, all the way over to the left, you will see Mount San Gregorio, Southern California's largest peak at 11,500 feet. It's the sing-along tram. Don't be afraid, people.